Right, here we go on Powder Kegs. It's a HUSS Break Dance, I believe. Yeah, let's go for a ride. And if you're wondering why I'm not using my wrist mount, I've lost it. Problems with mental health, but there we are. Anyway, I've ordered another one. Right, let's go for a ride. Spinning! Whoa, that one's good. If you wait it just right, you might be able to get a spin, but I don't know. Whoa! There we go. Yes, if you weight it that way, and then push, and then spin, and then that way. Hey! Yeah. So you can control the spin, sort of. Oh, that was fun. Really good fun. Whew, out of breath now though.